Good morning children, this is 5th standard English class. In our previous class we have started with our block number 10, writing an informal letter. Writing an informal letter, and in our previous class what was the topic? Parts of an informal letter. Parts of an informal letter. Today we are going to learn about compound sentences. Today our topic is compound sentences. What are compound sentences? What are compound sentences? When any two simple sentences are joined by using a conjunction, it is called a compound sentence. When two simple sentences are joined by using a conjunction, that is called as a compound conjunction. And today we are going to see how can we use compound sentences in writing a letter. Okay. Now here I have given 3 examples about the compound sentences. Few examples about compound sentences. Okay. See here, he was hungry and he was sleepy. He was hungry, comma, and he was sleepy. Here I am talking about only one person, right? See here, he was hungry, one simple sentence. He was sleepy is another simple sentence. So these two simple sentences I have joined by using the word and. I have joined these two simple sentences by using the word and this and is a conjunction. Okay. See, and before joining the two sentences, before writing a conjunction, always there should be a comma. Okay. See here the next sentence. Preeti ran fast, comma, but she missed her train. See, Preeti ran fast. This is one simple sentence. She missed her train is another simple sentence. And here I have joined these two simple sentences by using a conjunction but. See, she ran fast, but even then she missed her train. Okay. Coming to the third example. She can learn to dance, comma, or she can learn to swim. She can learn to dance is one simple sentence. She can learn to swim is another simple sentence. And here these two simple sentences I have joined by using a conjunction or. Yes, children? So, when you join any two simple sentences by using a conjunction, that is called as a compound sentence. When you join any two simple sentences by using a conjunction, it is called as a compound sentence. From that time I am talking about compound sentences, conjunctions. Do you remember what are conjunctions? In your previous classes you have learned what are conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words which are used to join two sentences to make it a compound sentence. And what is the word which you remember to recognize the conjunctions? Which is the word which you remember to remember the conjunctions? Now so many conjunctions are there. How can you remember? There is one word, funny word. Do you remember? I'll show you. Yes. Did you remember this word? Fanboys. Fanboys is the word which helps you to remember the conjunctions. Fanboys is the word which helps you to remember the conjunctions. Now see the full forms of fanboys. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. Once again I am reading. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. These are the conjunctions, and these conjunctions helps us to make two simple sentences will change into a compound sentence. Okay children, now open your workbook. First we are going to see S1 letter writing. In that we are going to recognize the compound sentences. After that we are going to do our S2. Okay, open your workbooks. Yes, open your workbook, children. Block number 10, S. First we'll complete S2, then we'll do S1. What I said, we are going to recognize where all we have compound sentences in this letter. Okay. See here, first we'll read this introduction. This is the address, date, greeting, introduction, right? We'll see whether if any compound sentence is there in this introduction or no. Thank you so much for those delicious olives. You know, olives have always been one of my favorite foods, and I miss the olive tree a lot. Now see here, I have joined two sentences. You know, olives have always been one of my favorite foods is one sentence, and the other sentence is I miss the olive tree a lot. Here I have joined these two sentences by using a conjunction and, right? Next, I wanted to thank you yesterday, but I didn't get the chance. Here he have joined two sentences. The one simple sentence is I wanted to thank you yesterday, and the other simple sentence is I didn't get the chance. But here we have joined two sentences by using a conjunction but, right? Coming to the body of the lesson now. Tomorrow is my birthday, so I am having a big party at my house. Here this is one simple sentence and the other one is this simple sentence. Tomorrow is my birthday. One sentence. I am having a big party at my house is another simple sentence. So I have joined these two simple sentences by using a conjunction. So I want to invite you with your parents. We would love to welcome you. Is there any compound sentence? Two different sentences they have given. They did not join any simple sentences. The party will begin at 7 p.m. but you can come early. See, again two simple sentences. The party will begin at 7 p.m. is one sentence. You can come early. That is another sentence. And here they have joined two sentences by using a conjunction but. We will have lots of olives, plums and a big cake. Here and, right? I will introduce you to my friends who will be at the party too. They are a little shy, yet I think you will like them when you get to know them. See here, this is one simple sentence. They are a little shy is one simple sentence. I think you will like them when you get to know them is another simple sentence. These two simple sentences I have combined by using the conjunction yet. My father has different games for all of us to play. We can play outside or we can play inside. Two simple sentences. We can play outside, we can play inside. And here they have joined by using a conjunction or. We will have fun. Okay, so now we have recognized all the compound sentences in S1 letter writing. Now, so shall we start with our S2, that is compound sentences, the main today's topic. Write today's date 24/11/2020. Compound sentences. Write the date as 24/11/2020. Compound sentences. Join the two sentences to form a compound sentence using the correct conjunction. Join the two sentences to form a compound sentence using the correct conjunction. Now here they have given conjunctions in the box for, and, nor, so. First one I will do it for you and last one I will do it for you. That is A bit and D bit I will do it for you. B and C you are going to do as your homework. See here, Ritu glared at her brother. He had broken her favorite picture frame. Ritu glared means what? When something happens, you will look at the other person with anger face, right? Ritu glared at her brother. He had broken her favorite picture frame. Now we are going to join these two simple sentences and change it into compound sentence. Okay. Yes, look here, children. Ritu glared at her brother, comma, for he had broken her favorite picture frame. Ritu glared at her brother, Why did she glared at her brother? Here they have given reason, because he had broken her favorite picture frame. And here I have joined two sentences by using a conjunction for. Now see the B bit. The floor was strewn with my daughter's books, clothes and toys. I slipped and fell down. Here I am going to join these two sentences by using the conjunction so. So how will you write the sentence? The floor was strewn with my daughter's books, clothes and toys, comma, so I slipped and fell down. Coming to C bit, 55 passengers have been rescued from the salvage ship. 20 are still missing. See, here I have combined these two sentences by using and conjunction and changed it into compound sentence. 55 passengers have been rescued from the salvage ship, comma, and 20 are still missing. C D bit. They did not have any tents to stay. They did not have any food to eat. Now I am going to join these two sentences by using the conjunction. They did not have any tents to stay, comma, nor did they have any food to eat. Once again I am reading. They did not have any tents to stay, comma, nor did they have any food to eat. Okay. Now see question number 2. Make simple sentences using conjunctions. Here these are the two conjunctions they have given. You are going to make two sentences. Okay, you are going to use these two words and complete the sentences. Now here, third question. Add a comma where necessary. Add a comma where necessary. 7th September 2013. 7th September 2013. Here they have given the greeting, introduction, body of the letter and closing with signature. Now wherever commas are necessary you are going to put. That means you have to check where our compound sentences are. Like how we have done in S1, same like that you are going to do it in question number 3 over here. Okay. So now your homework is you are going to complete S2. You are going to complete S2. And in the previous class I asked you to write the parts of letter. Parts of an informal letter I asked you to write. Remember? Yes. So for that first you have to open your classwork, draw the margins, write the heading as writing an informal letter. Write the subheading as parts of an informal letter. Write down all the parts which you have seen on the board in the previous class. Okay. After that you are going to write the grammar from grammar guide. Grammar from grammar guide. That is the last pages we have grammar, right? Page number 44. Page number 44. Here see block 10 compound sentences with conjunction. Your heading will be compound sentences with conjunctions. You are going to write this definition examples. Wherever necessary you are going to leave one line and write. Okay. So complete your workbook and as well as classwork, children. By this I will end the session. We are going to meet in the next class with the topic writing a reply letter. Okay. Thank you.